Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by waking your Apple Watch Series 5 and getting straight into watch faces. Press firmly on the display to enter the face gallery. Once the gallery appears, swipe left and right to preview available faces and tap the plus icon to add a new face. Do this now so you can change style and complications quickly. Make sure your watch is unlocked and on your wrist. If it isn't, unlock it with your paired iPhone before continuing. Once you tap Customize, you'll see layered options for color, style, and complication slots. Start with style to set the overall look. Use the digital crown to scroll through color swatches and design variants. This gives you fine control without touching the screen. Next, tap each complication area to pick which app or data to show. Choose shortcuts you check often. When done, press the crown to save each layer. This ensures your new face look. To finalize, press the digital crown twice. The first press exits customization, the second sets the face active. Your watch now uses the new configuration. If you prefer, long press a face in the gallery and select Set as Current to switch immediately. If changes don't appear, restart the watch by holding the side button and sliding power off. Once rebooted, recheck the face. If problems persist, ensure Watch OS is up to date and that the watch is unlocked and paired with your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.